Hello, and welcome to Sonyabeonit channel. Is this going to be a great deal or a wasted dollar? I'm going to try this lubricant by Autobright. I've been having some issue trying to shift my car out of park. It's very hard to do so. I don't want to take a chance in breaking the handle, trying to always pull real hard to get it out of park. And there's some other great uses that you can use this for around the house. So the first thing we want to do before we do the dry shift, we're going to lubricate the door because there is a lot of squeakiness. Do you hear that? Now, what I'm liking about this, when I finish with it, I can attach it right back to the side. So we're going to take that off, remove the cap. It looks just like this once you remove the cap. We're going to take this and insert it in the... I'm going to take it and insert it right... Oh, here. Oh, here. Here now. Okay, right now I'm finding it kind of difficult to insert it inside of the hole. Okay. Having a hard time. At first I was having a difficult time trying to insert this into the base of the spray nozzle. But just hold it firmly and press it inside. Now we're going to shake it up. We need to lubricate right up in between this joint right here. I don't want to overdo it. Let it sit for a couple of seconds. And there you have it. So it did take away that squeakiness. So right now I'm loving it. So the next thing we want to do is tackle this gear shift. You can't put it in drive. So what I need to do is remove this. That's just the cover to protect it. Once you put your key in here and turn it, it's supposed to release this mechanism when you start the car to allow you to place it in gear. And that is not happening. These joints sometimes get dust in between them. And this is a 2002 Dodge Durango, so it's to be expected. I don't want to oversaturate it because there are electrical components within this unit. If I turn my car on, okay, when I try to shift, look. It's not moving. I'm going to spray right there. Okay, excuse the noise. This is where it clicks. So I sprayed a little bit right up in here. Put my feet on the brake. I think it's trying to work. I need to spray just a little bit more. Okay, I sprayed a little bit more because that component is very stiff. And then let's see what it works. There you go. This Autobright lubricant does work. I would recommend that you pick this up because this is truly a great deal for $1. You have two ways of using this. You can use the actual spray nozzle or you can use the attachment. I advise you to keep up with this because this is going to come in handy for those hard to reach places that you can't just spray this with without making a mess. That is very useful. And for any jobs of squeakiness or any rough spots that you have and you need to lubricate it, this works. It really works. So now I'm going to start my car. You may hear the sound, but temporarily. Smoothly. You hear that gear shift? No problem whatsoever. I'm happy. So I hope you've enjoyed this time we've shared together, and head on over to your local Dollar Tree to pick this up to keep it around the house because this is truly worth $1. Until next time, be blessed. Bye y'all.